Visiting a doctor.
Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I feel not good today.
I see. What is wrong?
My head hurts a lot.
Okay, since when do you feel this?
Since last night, maybe?
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up many times.
Do you have a fever?
I think, yes, a little.
Any cough or sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts too.
Okay, I understand. Sit here.
Thank you. I feel very tired.
I will check your temperature now.
Okay, is it bad?
It is a little high.
Oh, what should I do now?
You need rest and drink water.
Can I go to work today?
No, please stay home today.
Okay, I understand that.
I will give you some medicine.
How many times take it?
2 times a day, after food.
Morning and night, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Any side effects, maybe?
Maybe sleepiness. Nothing serious.
That is okay. I can rest.
Come back if not better soon.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Good. Take care, Emily.
I will. No work today.
Hotel check-in.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation.
Great. What is your name?
Rachel Green, 1 room booked.
Yes, I see your booking.
Okay, that is good.
May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Just a moment.
Okay, I wait here.
You booked 2 nights, correct?
Yes, 2 nights only.
Breakfast is included in stay.
Oh, that is very nice.
Do you need Wi-Fi access?
Yes, I need internet.
The password is on this card.
Thank you, very helpful.
Checking. Would you like help with bags?
No, I have 1 bag.
Your room is on 3rd floor.
Okay, where is the lift?
The lift is on your left.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 morning.
Good, I wake up early.
Here is your room key.
Thank you, I go now.
Enjoy your stay, Rachel.
I will. I need sleep now.
Buying coffee at café.
Hi, what can I get?
I want coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee?
I don't know many kinds.
We have latte, cappuccino, americano,
What is a latte?
coffee with milk, smooth taste.
Okay, I try latte.
Hot or ice latte?
Hot, yes, hot, please.
What size would you like?
Medium is okay.
1 medium hot latte.
Yes, that is right.
Any sugar or syrup?
What syrup do you have?
We have vanilla and caramel syrup.
Vanilla sounds nice.
1 vanilla latte, medium.
And how much is it?
It is $4.50.
Okay, I pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Okay, done now.
Thank you, your drink soon.
I will wait here.
Sophie, your latte is ready.
Oh, thank you very much.
Careful, it's very hot.
Yes, I will be careful.
Taking a taxi.
Hi, where are you going?
To the train station?
Which station, please?
I think Central Station.
Central Station. Okay.
Is it far from here?
Not far, about 15 minutes.
Okay, that sounds good.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, 1 small bag.
Please put it in the back.
Thank you. I sit here?
Yes, please sit comfortably.
How much will it cost?
Around 10 to 12 pounds.
Okay, I can pay cash.
Card is fine too.
Cash is easier for me.
All right, we will leave now.
The city looks busy today.
Yes, traffic is heavy now.
Will I be late?
No, we have enough time.
Good. I feel better.
We are near the station.
Oh, I see it now.
Here we are, Central Station.
Thank you. Here is the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
I will. I hope the train waits.
Job interview.
Hello, please come in.
Hi, thank you for seeing me.
Please sit down, Anna.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
That is okay. Take your time.
Okay, I will try my best.
Tell me about yourself.
I work in a shop.
What do you do there?
I help customers and sell things.
How long have you worked there?
About 2 years, maybe more.
Why do you want this job?
I want better work and pay.
Do you like working with people?
Yes, I like people a lot.
Are you good with time?
I try. I am usually on time.
Can you work weekends?
Yes, I am free weekends.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, what are work hours?
9 to 5, Monday to Friday.
Okay, that is good for me.
When can you start work?
Next week, if that is okay.
That sounds fine to me.
Thank you. I really want this job.
We will call you soon.
Okay, I wait for your call.
Buying flowers.
Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I want some flowers.
Sure, for what occasion?
For my friend's birthday.
Nice. We have many options.
Which flowers are popular now?
Roses and lilies are popular.
I like roses. They look nice.
Red, pink, or white roses.
Pink. Yes, pink is good.
How many would you like?
Maybe 10 flowers, please.
10 pink roses. Okay.
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Do you want a card?
Yes, I write small message.
What would you like to write?
Happy birthday, dear friend.
That is very nice.
Thank you. She will like it.
I will wrap them nicely.
Okay, I wait here.
Your flowers are ready now.
Oh, they look beautiful.
That will be 15 pounds.
Okay, I pay by cash.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy the party.
I will. Maybe I keep one.
Hotel checkout.
Good morning. Checking out today?
Yes, I check out now.
What room number, please?
Room 205.
Thank you, Miss Chloe.
Yes, that is me.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was very nice.
Did you use minibar?
Only one soda drink.
Okay, I will add that.
How much is it?
2 pounds for the soda.
Okay, that is fine.
Any other charges to add?
No, nothing else.
Your total is 80 pounds.
Okay, I pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Okay, it is done.
Thank you. Payment is complete.
Thank you. Everything was good.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, I need a receipt.
Here you are.
Thank you. Very helpful.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I go to airport.
I will call one now.
Thank you. Perfect timing.
Safe travels, Chloe.
I hope. No flight delay.
Ordering food at the restaurant.
Hello. Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, just me today.
Please sit here by window.
Thank you. Nice place here.
Here is the menu.
Okay, many choices here.
Would you like a drink first?
Yes, water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still, just still water.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. 1 minute.
Sure, take your time.
The chicken looks good here.
It comes with rice and salad.
Is it spicy or mild?
Mild, not very spicy.
Okay, I like mild food.
Would you like any starter?
No, just main dish.
1 chicken with rice, correct?
Yes,
That is correct.
Anything else for you?
Maybe small salad too.
1 small salad added.
And how long will it take?
Around 15 minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Here is your water.
Thank you. Very kind.
I bring your food soon.
Good. I am very hungry.